KPA Plumbing Ltd. We're in Auckland. We do plumbing, gas and drainage. Got 8 staff and a couple contractors, and then got a QS in the Philippines that helps out. They do the measuring. Yeah. Justin's helped me a heap getting me to where I am today, and he's always just one phone call away. I've got a few businesses, got KPA Plumbing, Firsty Work Limited, which is my beverage company, and Greenlight Escrow, it's an app. But basically, my business has been profitable enough that I can go do these other things, and basically thanks to Justin. I was one of the first 5 to join. Halo means to me, well, when we meet up, it's always a good time. So it's like a bit of a family. I've done some business advisory with Michael and Justin, but mainly Justin's been coaching me and directing me. So there was a few awards that went out, and there was 3 finalists for sales and marketing, and I ended up taking it away. Just basically me spending a lot of time on Instagram. The conference, oh, it was good, yeah. I missed last year's one, I was working, but it was a good day. I learned quite a bit about like REAM and iPlex in particular.